how to turn off autoplay feature for your reels for videos on your Instagram account. To simply do this thing, what you have to do is open the Instagram application right on your device, and then this is my homepage. As you can see, to simply disable the turn on or automatic play video feature on your Instagram application, on the homepage, you're gonna look on the bottom right corner of the screen. That is your account section, where you will see the username, edit profile option, or share profile. Now, after doing this, simply click on the three dots on the top right corner of the screen. From this menu, you're gonna scroll down, keep scrolling down, and there you will see an option called data usage and media quality. You will see this in your app and media section. Click on data usage and then click on use less data. You simply have to enable this setting. If you have not, simply enable this, and then this is done. This is how you can exactly save your data and save your videos to play on auto mode. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.